Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel English with Apurva. Today you guys will be thinking that why I am making this kind of video and was I only that made it the back videos. So yes, I only made it the back videos that you have seen and now I am making face videos. Now you will be thinking how I became like how am I talking in English and you will be thinking like why is she making this kind of videos. So first of all, I want to say that when I was in grade 6th, I started talking in English. Then when I went in grade 7th, I became fluent. Then after in class 8th, I was thinking like I know English, but where will I express this? Who will see my this? Who will see my English? So my father told me that you can start YouTube. And when you will start YouTube, you can express your English to everybody. Your confidence level will be up then. Because if you know something and you can't express to someone, then how will the confidence will come in yourself? Like I know this thing, but how will I express this? So I started YouTube. I was like shy. But after I made it faceless video, then I was thinking I should express myself in front of all, so that they will know that a village girl can also talk in English. That's why from today I started to make face videos and I will express you how to talk between everybody and how can you improve your English. And this video is very important for the learners. They want to become fluent and they don't know nothing. They only want to speak, but they don't know where to start, how to start. So guys, I'm going to tell you my journey, how I started talking in English and how you can see and watch my videos and become fluent. My video is very helpful because the thing I have done, the thing that happened while I was learning, you can compare that. Like the things that happened in my life to learn, the things will also happen in your life because you are learning same thing, you are not learning any other thing. And many people say like buy course or anything that or go somewhere at tuition you will start to learn English, or they give 30 days 40 days things like we will teach you in 30 days. So this not happens. So guys, that's why I thought that I should also have to make video for you guys so that you can judge my confidence and you can also become fluent. So let's start our video. So guys, I am Apurva and today I am going to tell you my journey, how I started talking in English. First of all, I want to tell you that when I was small, I was thinking that what does this means? And if I start talking in English, it was like I was thinking it is a subject, but it's a language you have to study. It's not, don't study it like a subject. And this was the mistake I was doing when I was small. My father thought that people are learning English, they are becoming fluent. There were many newses coming in which small children are talking English. In that time, English was like only the people who are intelligent, they can only talk, but it is not like that. But for me it was very hard. That time I was thinking like I will not study that. That time my sister was learning English. My father gave us some videos like watch this video, English videos, like in that they teach us in English. So when we see that video, we were thinking like how is she saying, how to express our idea like that, how to say that thing in like English. We can't express that. When we saw that video, like I was in 3rd standard, then in 4th same thing happened, then in 5th like one day I was like sitting, my sister was like so attracted with that English. She was thinking like if I will know English, many things she will know in her life. But I was not interested. I was thinking I don't want to study. I was thinking it's too boring. Now when I went in 5th standard, one day my father gave me a video like study, how to study very perfectly and what things should you do so you can become topper. That video was in English. It was like of American video. I did not understand that, but the things she want to say, like the things that are coming in the video, like book, notes, or like pen that was coming, I was thinking that she will be saying like this. She will be saying like, take sticky notes, then put in your book, the note important things, and then put in your copy. So little bit I understand in that. After this, after watching this, you have to tell me what do you understand in this, what do you get in this. And that time I was like, I can tell him in Hindi what does it means, but little bit. Then he told me that day, tell me in English. I was like, how will I say this? But in my way, then I was doing like, many times I say like in, I was not like that kind of person who can talk. It was like I was thinking it's too boring, I don't want to study it. And many English videos were there, but we can't understand that. And if we are understanding but we can't say like that, then there were some courses like buy this course and learn English in 30 days. That time my father know that they are not telling the good thing. He can't speak English. Now I have to learn it, and my brother is also, but he can't talk now. We are teaching him, like we are talking daily. Now he said that, okay, do nothing, don't watch anything, cartoon you don't like, don't watch. Now he told that start talking in English every day. Everything that you are going there, so you have to say to your sister that I am going there, so say that in English. Nothing you have to do, only talk. Like every day we talk in Hindi, so talk in English. This thing only. Now this was very difficult part. I was like, why should I study? This is our own language, Hindi, and we use this daily. So why English only? If you have to become something, you have to know English. Like future is of English. If you are not knowing English, nothing you will get. Because if you will know English, you will understand the world. If you don't know English, you will only live in India. Because if you know English, you can go anywhere. You can like travel anywhere. This is the importance of English. Then we started talking in English like 2 months, 3 months. I was like, I can't express my idea to her. What the word I have to use, I can't understand that. Then it was like 2-3 months, I started like little bit I started talking. I like the way I talk in English, but very shyly. We were at our village, and one thing I also want to say to you, it's not important that the surrounding only should be in English. If you believe in yourself, you can talk anywhere, you can start anything. So that also happens to me. Then 2-3 months it went, and I started talking little bit. My confidence level was like little bit up after 5-6 months. How do I say that? I don't know which day I learned English, but I know I can talk fluently. Now you will say like, yes, this is perfect, but you were like, you have partner, then you started. So no, the answer is no. You have to talk by yourself. Sometimes there will be no one with you, but you have to make change in yourself, not any other one. So there were a lot of problems that were coming. I can't express my idea with them. Then slowly when I started talking and I become fluent, that's why I'm sitting here and telling you the thing that I know, how I practiced and what's the importance. Because when I was making firstly videos, watching American videos, I was like, I don't understand, I don't want to see. And there were many funny things, like, when you see funny things, you are like, your mind will be fresh up. Now many people will say like, grammar, do you have also studied grammar, or you have taken course, that's why you have learned? So I have expressed my idea that I only practice daily, and if you will practice daily, this will be the better thing to learn any language. Like, I'm giving you the best example. How do you learn English, Hindi? But you don't buy any course or any app. You studied how to say English, how to say Hindi, how to learn English. You don't buy any course. You do the practice. That's why you can say Hindi. Same thing happens with English also. When you will start talking in English, there will be more confidence in yourself. So this was my journey I have done, and I'm like really happy that I can express my ideas in English with you today, and I can watch many videos. If I have to travel somewhere, I can go easily and talk to anybody. Like, if you are going somewhere, a foreigner comes and say something and you can't understand, this will feel very bad. So guys, if you have to learn English, you have to practice daily like me. There are many things that you can use also. I have used many things to learn, only not talking. But if you are not like it's looking boring, so I have many types of ideas that I can express. But not in today's, because it's becoming too much long video, and I don't want like it should become boring and people should leave my video. My journey, how I started talking in English, and how I express my ideas today. Now many people have lot of problems, like many things. So you can comment me below what's your problem. I will meet you in the next video and I will see what's your problem. And don't forget to watch my other videos that are coming, because in other videos I'm gonna share you the tips that I have used to become fluent. How to start and how to become fluent. There is not any age that you have to start it at this age or and with this age. There is every day, every ages you can start, because learning is very important. If you will not learn anything, you can't become successful. So if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and also turn on the notification so that my video will come and you will watch that first. Now share these videos with others who also want to talk in English, start talking in English. Now I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.